Today I'm making a quick cabbage pie. It turns out soft, juicy on the inside, and delicious. While the oven is preheating, prepare the ingredients. Shred 350 grams of cabbage, wrap in foil, and cut into strips. Transfer the cabbage to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix with your hand, pressing lightly. I'll take some green onions and parsley and finely chop them. Add them to the cabbage and mix everything well. We'll need 4 eggs. The eggs are large. We shone a flashlight on them and saw 2 dark spots inside. Those are the 2 yolks, so I'll only use 2. Mix everything together. Half a teaspoon of turmeric for color. 1 teaspoon dried basil. Mix everything well. Add 20% fat sour cream and 80 grams of mayonnaise. Now add 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, 25 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Many people love cabbage pies, but sometimes you just don't feel like kneading the dough. But this recipe is very simple. 160 grams of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. If the dough is too thick, add a little water. Whisk and break up any lumps. The dough is ready. Let it rest. Let's work on the baking pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper and grease the bottom and sides with oil. Divide the cabbage into 2 parts. Spread the first part evenly over the bottom and press it down. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Add the second part of cabbage. Pour the remaining batter over the top. Spread the batter evenly over the cabbage to cover it. Slice 10 to 12 olives for garnish. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. What a delicious pie! It's light, crispy, and smells like freshly baked bread. The aroma of basil and pepper is pronounced. Very tender and aromatic, with a golden brown crust. These pies can be served hot or cold. The aroma from the center of the pie is cabbage creamy, very delicate to the touch, not heavy. Make this pie and you're sure to be satisfied. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Watch my other videos, they are also delicious. Until next time, bon appétit! Bye!